Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can create free business website. If you have business and you don't have a website before, no problem. And this website, you can create free website with free domain and hosting. Just come straight to ios.ng. You can see this is a website. Now the next thing you should do is to click on get started. Alright, select the first option here. You can see the thing is free. Now the website name, let me use. Now you can see there is business website you want to create. Don't select this, select the second one here. Then your email address. Now after selecting your email address, add your phone number. Don't forget to add your country code in front. There is no plus, no plus. 8161610. Now say okay, it's optional. Now your password. Now you need to wait for like 30 seconds before your website can be created. Let's wait. Wow, website is created successfully. So I can now visit my website or I manage my website. Let me firstly check my website first. Okay, now there's nothing on my website. There's nothing. So the first thing, I click on manage website. As you can see, I have blog, I have messages, I have menus. So you can see this menu, portfolio, this and that. So there's 4 menus I have, but there is nothing on the website. Okay, now the first thing you do is click on menus. Now we have welcome notes. So add welcome notes. Now in this, it's telling me that welcome note will appear on my website if it is up to 3. So let me firstly add the first one. So that's my first welcome note. The second one. This welcome note is all about your business. So explain your business there. Just write rubbish there. For example. Okay, another one, so that will be 3. Or let me use or anything. But don't forget, it should be your website descriptions. Now 3 is added. Let me refresh. As you can see, 3 is added here, but it remains slider. Let me add slider to my website. Heading optional. I can just put option. Everything is optional. Now what's the image you want to use to your website? Let me add this, save changes, the link that it should take me to, and let me add it here. As you can see, slider is added. Let me refresh my website. Wow, so my website is created one after the other. But don't forget my slider. When I was adding slider, this is just the text I put there. So explore more. You can see it takes me to this red square website. Why? Because when I was adding the slider, that's the link I put there. So now this is the welcome note we used that time. This is slider I had. You can see it's only one slider I have, so this color is only one I had it. Okay, now let's move on to features. Maybe your website or your business, what are the features you have? Do you want to edit this? Maybe you don't want to use features, you want to edit the menu, because here you don't have features here. Why? Because we have not added any features to our business website. So let me click on add data. So in my website, in our business, we are doing this, we are doing that. You can just put it there. Then click on save. One is added. Let me refresh. You can see features, more features is there. So click on features. See one. So what are the things? Other things we are doing in your business? So you can just put it there. What about the services you are rendering? If you want to edit this menu, you can still edit it. So the services you are rendering, just put it here. Just put your service you are rendering. Let me add another one. Okay, in case you want to edit the menu. So the services we are rendering, another one is it. It's just a sample. So when you click refresh your website, you can see the services. 1, 2, just 2. I added. If you want to add more, you can just add more. Okay, now what other thing? Maybe your team, your staff in your business. So your staff picture should be here. Let me use this. the row, let me admin, anything you like about the person. So click on save, then refresh here. You can see our team. So this is the person I use. Now contact, or if they send you message from your website, it will come straight to this place, as well as your SMS to your phone. So you can see you have your free website here. So that is a simple way you can have your. Now this slider on settings, maybe you don't like this the color of your website here, you can just come straight to this place, click on background color. Maybe you don't like the color, you can change to red. Let me change this one to another, maybe blue, just for example. Then click on here. Let me refresh my website. As you can see, it has changed. You see, it has changed. Okay, social media, this and that about us, welcome where you are. And another thing, if you want to add logo, you can just put your logo here. So now let me go back to this page. You can see, in case you want to share with people, this is your website now. Let me go to this website. You can see this is my website. This is a business website. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.